Sir, matanong ko lang po kasi 'di ba po yung mentorship naman po, napakalaking bagay po nun sa success ng isang tao. Sino po ba yung mga taong naging, key player po kung bakit kayo naging kayo?
Ah, tulad mo, yung inaasam mo na makausap yung mga leaders in a certain industry or in
Opo,
a certain field,
opo.
ginawa ko rin yan.
Ginawa niyo?
So, nung bata ako, sabi ko, maski wala akong kitain, maski malugi ako, maski hindi ako kumain, makausap ko lang si Henry C. Maski 5 minutes lang, makausap ko lang si Lucio Tan, makausap ko lang si Ayala, makausap ko lang sila Go Kongwei, makausap ko lang sila Django, at yung mga big people. And they give you good advices, universal advices na so good. Case in point, sabi sa akin ng isang senior, si Django, sabi niya, Abong, find yourself a good wife. If you find a nagging wife, forget your business. Your everyday will be destroyed.
Asawa talaga, no?
A good wife who will support you all the way. A good wife who will keep on trusting you. A good wife who will keep on supporting you. And you will have double the energy to do what you have to do. So, yun yung payo niya sa akin.
Opo.
Ang payo naman ng isa, sabi niya, just keep on doing it. And let the remains prove how much you've done.
Gets.
So, it's quite obvious, sabi nung isa sa akin. Sabi niya, Abong, may bisyo ka ba? Sabi ko, wala. Naninigarilyo ka ba? Hindi. Nag-aalak ka ba? Hindi. Nambababae ka ba? Hindi. Nag-drugs ka ba? Hindi. Nagsusugal ka ba? Hindi. O, hindi wala ka palang pinagagaso sa yayaman ka. Totoo
Ganun lang
naman
pala.
Totoo naman eh. So, kung hindi ka magtatrabaho, syempre hindi ka magiging successful. Pero if you keep on working, if you keep on doing your job, if you keep on performing, creating strategies, planning, evolving, improving, how can you lose? How can you not make it?
Opo.
Diba?
Parang mas less likely pang hindi ka mag-succeed kung gagawin mo lahat yan.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, oo nga no. And those were the days that I was very, very, very down. And he was telling me, the sun will shine. And true enough, happy naman tayo. So, ang dami pa. I did my own time.
Opo.
I served my own time those days na yung mga mayayaman, nag-iisip ako ng dahilan kung paano ko sila makakausap.
Makakausap.
Maski ako magsisilbi. In fact, sabi ko nga doon sa isang secretary, Ma'am, maski ako magdala ng bag niya, okay lang.
Good ko rin po yung mentorship.
There was even one time, I applied as a bodyguard
Opo.
because I can fight. And I was telling the secretary, lalaking secretary, sabi ko, Sir, I can do 1:5. Sabi na, of what? Of fighting. If you want, you can send the 5 bodyguards. I can fight with them. So, ayun. Sabi ko, most of all, I can take a bullet. Sabi niya, grabe ka naman. Sabi ko, wala siguro. Basta makausap ko lang
Makausap.
So, ayan. Yeah. Getting wisdom from the seniors.
Yes.
And obviously, humility is not being taught. Like what you saw in RSA.
Opo.
Humility is shown. It's not taught. So, and you can never teach humility. You can only use it as a sample. There is no way that you. But, at the end of the day, I was a victim of it na naging mapanghusga ako.
Oo.
May pinasok akong isang komunidad na mga Katoliko. Sabi nila, simple life, simple life. So, na-inspire ako. Siyempre, wala akong pera that time. So,
Opo.
tapos, may nakita ko isang miyembro, naka-Rolex. Sabi ko, pagdating niya, nakapasat. Yung panahon namin, yung
Opo.
Passat is one of the best possible European car na
Car.
pwede mo
Opo.
i-suit up for a race car. Pagsakay ko doon sa Passat niya, 18 Bose speaker. So, nagreklamo ako sa isang pastor. Sabi niyo, simple life, simple life. Bakit si Brother Louie, naka-Rolex, nakakita ko, tapos naka-set up pa. Tapos, Passat, pinang-araw-araw. Sabi niya, ay oo, abong, ganyan talaga si Louie kasi dati Patek ang suot niya, hindi
Opo.
Rolex. Tapos dati Mercedes ang sasakyan niya, hindi Passat.
Simple na pala ngayon.
Okay, I stand corrected. You know, so judgment doesn't belong to our hands. Diba? We just have to understand, hindi ko na maalam na dating Mercedes, bigla na lang nagpasa.
Simple na pala yun.
Simple na yun sa kanya. And ang mali lang is nag-judge ako. So,
Opo.
the best is hindi tayo mapanghusga. Diba? Para at least maging open tayo. Kasi kung hindi ako naghusga, malamang kinausap ko na lang
Siya.
yung nakausap ko, yung pinintasan ko,
Opo.
natuto pa ako.
Totoo.
Hindi, pinintasan ko, hindi tuloy ako natuto. So,
Noted po yan. Iwasan maging mapaghusga.
oo.
May tendency rin po kasi ako maging gano'n.
Oo.
Opo.
Either way, yung mapanghusga na pag big time, pabor ka, pag small time, mapanghusga. Either way, mali.
Opo.
So, parang ganun.